सर सब आ गए।
ओके अगर ग्रुप ऑफ चार्जेस की हम बात करते हैं तो ग्रुप ऑफ चार्जेस के केस में वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्केलर सम ऑफ पोटेंशियल contributed by each point charge at that point. ये पॉइंट पे बिकॉज ऑफ दिस चार्ज q1, this charge q2, this charge q3, so all the charges will have its set of potential at this point. So when you add them up you get the total potential. It's a algebraic sum. Okay, so this is what we did in the last class. Okay, now based on this concept attempt this question. Into 10 to the power 3 volts. You have to find out the potential difference at point P because of these two charges, plus 2 microcoulomb and minus 6 microcoulomb. Okay, now this charge will have its potential because of this distance 4 meter. This will have this potential due to this distance which is 5 meter. Now you can calculate the value of potential at point P. Will be k q1 by r1 plus k q2 by r2. So from this your k will be constant, q1 by r1 plus q2 by r2. What is the value of k? 9 into 10 to the power 9. Now charges, both the charges are given in microcoulomb. So I'll take the micro portion, that is minus 6 outside. Now inside I have what? What was the charge? 2 and distance is 4. So 2 by 4 minus, what is the other charge? Minus 6 आ जाएगा. Actually this is plus but this is minus 6 by 5. So when you solve this value you will get the answer as 6.29 into 10 to the power 3 volts. Is it clear? Krisha is asking why did I take the negative charge? Negative sign on the charge. Because it is given in the problem, you can see that. This is a negative charge, so it will have a negative potential at point P. This is a positive charge, so it will create a positive charge, positive potential. Now this is the second part of the problem. You have to find out the change in potential energy. Okay, I'll give you another 1 minute. Potential energy difference is equal to the charge that has been brought in into the potential of that point. Okay, इस पॉइंट का पोटेंशियल हमको ऑलरेडी पता है, दैट वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड इन दी प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. तो पोटेंशियल कितना था इस पॉइंट का? माइनस ऑफ 6.29 into 10 to the power minus 3. Remember? Sorry, it is plus 3. Now if you multiply this charge with the potential difference delta V, you will get the change in potential energy. Now you brought this charge from infinity. Okay, so that will, now delta V will be equal to potential of point P. Let's say point P आपका, तो आपका चार्ज का वैल्यू कितना है? 3 माइक्रोकूलम. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulombs. What is the magnitude of potential? Minus 6.29 into 10 to the power 3. So you will get this answer as minus 18.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule. Is it clear? In this question, you have to apply the concept of potential difference and then find the change in potential energy of the system when you move a charge across two different points, and then think in terms of the relationship between the work done by the electric field and what is the potential difference change, potential energy difference change of the system. So the relationship is delta U is equal to Q times delta V. What is this Q? The charge that has been moved from point A to point B. Now this charge Q is also same as these two charges. Okay, now you can substitute the values and find the result. Is this clear now? Any doubts? You can raise hand now. So now this is the new topic. Okay, how to calculate the potential energy in the case of a pair of point charges or for a group of point charges. So write this down. This is very similar to what we had done in gravitation last year.
Sir.
Yes.